Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So, let's go. For this, first of all, you have to install Sendit app. So now, I'm going to Play Store and searching for Sendit. Now open your Sendit app. Enter your age and click on Let's Go. Now click on Continue. Click on Continue. Now click on Next. Allow Sendit to send you notifications. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. If you want to edit it, then click on Edit. You can write here anything, whatever you want. So this is how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.